Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SamFX channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about this Oxygen OS Cyberpunk edition based on Android 10. Yes, and as you can see, this is the ROM ported from OnePlus 7 to this Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, these are the things. It's a Snapdragon 675, 6GB 128 model. And IPS LCD display, and it's still on Android 10. As you can see, it's still on Android 10, but it is very good. Let me check out. As you can see, this Android 10 logo, and the notch is like this. It's not completely like a Redmi Note 7 Pro. It's ported from OnePlus 7, same like OnePlus 7 only, and it's a January 1, 2021 security patch. This is the Cyberpunk edition, little bit tweaked from Oxygen OS. It's version 10, not 11. 11.1 I recently flashed it. You'll get the video very soon, so do subscribe my channel, and I'll make similar kind of videos. This is the boot animation. You'll get it. As you can see, OnePlus logo and Cyberpunk edition 2077. As you can see, this is the boot animation you get in this ROM. Let me unlock with pin and the pattern. As you can see, this is the home screen. You'll get it. And this is the thing, you will get it. As you can see, here the notch is not completely made for Note 7 Pro. It's still OnePlus 7 style only. And this is all the settings you will get it. And coming to display settings, you will get adaptive brightness, and even you can manually adjust it. As you can see, this is how it works. And you have the sleep time. You can choose it between 15 to 30 minutes, 15 seconds to 30 minutes. And you can adjust here. You can edit the toggles whichever you want in this notification toggle. Now coming to screen calibration, you have 3-4 features here: vivid, natural, and advanced. In advanced, you have this kind of options, and you can hide the notch area. I don't recommend it. And this is the night mode. You will get it. And even the reading mode is also available. Even the vibrant color effect is also available. You can turn it on if you want like vibrant display. Still LCD. Okay, this ambient display. Like this, you can choose the colors while going back to the latest app, or going back from one app to another app. You'll get that effect. And this is the font size. You can adjust from lower to higher. And this is the display size, similar kind of thing. This is the status bar. You can add the icons from icon manager, and even you can time it. And battery style, as you can see, I have kept the circle type. If you want bar type, you can choose it from here. Now coming to this customization, here you have some of the themes. As you can see, I will apply this Cyberpunk theme. It will take a while. It's now in completely dark. As you can see, you will get that yellow accent colors with this theme. Now going back to the settings, let me go to settings and change there. As you can see, you will get this yellow accent colors. Now customization, as you can see, you can choose here some of the few wallpapers also. Let me choose this Cyberpunk one. As you can see, you can choose the wallpaper from here. Going back to settings and customization, let me change the theme to illuminating light. I mean the white wallpaper. lighter one, not a dark one. And from here you can choose the accent colors. As you can see, you can choose it from here. And even the clock style also you can change. There are few clock styles. As you can see, it's like always on display. It will come when there is a notifications. And this is the tone. From here you can switch to dark mode and even the colorful mode. There are 3 modes: light, dark and colorful modes. From here you need to choose it. There is no dark mode separate available. Here only you have to choose, and this the icon shapes you can change it. And even if you have icon packs, I mean there are 4 presets. If you want new one, you can download it and adjust it. And there is the text font changing here. In the customization you have these things. Now coming to sounds and vibration, this good thing is the Dolby Atmos. Yes guys, you can use Dolby Atmos out of this ROM. You have 3 presets: dynamic, movie and music. Based upon your requirement you can keep it. I keep it in music. It's fine, it is good. And this the earphone mode. As you can see, you will get this notification ringtone in earphones, Bluetooth, adjust volume, and even the phone ringtone and vibration. You can choose it here. Even the touch vibration, I mean the vibration feedback is also available. Buttons and gestures, you can choose the gestures from here. Home screen gestures and back gestures from here. This the pill. You can disable the bottom bar if you want it or not, based upon your liking. Long press to take a photo is also available. Quick activate the assistant button is also available. You have some of the gestures here to open apps. You can choose it if you want the gestures. And this the buttons and gestures I explained. And apps and notifications, you'll get some settings here. You can choose it here, screen time and even the notification. Coming to location settings, it's all same, Android 10.1. And storage, you will get storage manager like this. This Android 10 Oxygen OS 10. And this the digital well-being, you will get it like this. And even the system updates, you can check it out, but you won't get any official updates here. You need to flash through recovery only, but just they have given this page. And coming to this how the ROM works here. It's fine, you can use it as a daily driver. It's fine, everything is working fine in this ROM. As you can see, let me show you the fingerprint scanner. As you can see, the fingerprint scanner is also fine. As you can see, tap it, opens. It's fine, no problem with the fingerprint scanner also. It's good ROM. As you can see, scrolling, everything is fine. You will get file manager of this OnePlus style file manager. You can choose it, or you can install any third-party file managers also. This is the Dolby Atmos settings. You can choose it here, or you can use it in settings. You can change the different types of equalizers here. This is how this ROM is. You will get this OnePlus style of calling dialer screen and the messaging app. And Play Store is not certified. You can certify it by using the zip file. You can flash through Magix Manager. You can make it certified. And coming to Geekbench score, this is the highest I got it for this Redmi Note 7 Pro in the custom ROMs. As you can see, 506 for single core and 1612 for multi-core. This is the highest for Redmi Note 7 Pro. For this custom ROM, I got it recently. I have flashed some. In that, this is the best I got. But anyhow, day-to-day uses also, it's fine. Even the gaming is also fine. So stay tuned till the end of the video. You'll get the gaming video also at the end of the video. And coming to internet speed, as you can see, I have like 100 Mbps plan. It is among the same. 94. It is pulling around same. All smartphones are also same. They not only have issues, that's all. And even the payment app also works fine. Once you flash the Magisk Manager and make the device certified, then this will also work. Now coming to camera, I have this. Since it's Android 10, we will get Arnovo build 7.4 camera, not 8.1 as of now. And you need to tap here and take it in a night set. As you can see, it's working fine. Let me zoom in and see. You need to go to gallery. I have not installed Google Photos yet. As you can see, it's fine, working fine. 7.4 Arnovo. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is the fingerprint scanner. Once again I am showing it. It's fast. And do comment down below, guys, how is the video and what type of videos you require from me regarding this Redmi Note 7 Pro. And that's the gameplay. As you can see, it's fine, no lag or anything like that. It's fine, as you can see. Out of this round we'll get it smooth and extreme. Even the ultra HD options are available, but anyhow we need just smooth and extreme. That is available. No need to install any apps or anything like that. You will get by default smooth and extreme. You can play it. And this the Redmi Note 7 Pro Oxygen OS Cyberpunk Edition. Do comment down below how is the video, and also comment on which are the ROMs you are expecting. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye now. Bye.